How to book your Sydney hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, welcome. Let's move on. How to book your Sydney hotel room by using mobile app. First, you have to install the Sydney Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. And the URL link is look like this. Or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install the Sydney Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. And this is the Sydney Tour Guide mobile app icon at Google Play Store. After you have installed this Sydney Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Sydney hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Sydney for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's go to the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store that you can install this Sydney Best Travel Tour Guide. After you have installed this mobile app, just click on this open button here and it will open the Sydney Tour Guide mobile app on your phone. Okay, so if you want to book your hotel, and you look for the first row, second icon here showing hotel booking. Tap on it. Okay, and then it will redirect to the hotel booking platform. Okay, now let me enlarge this page for your easy viewing. Okay, this in vertical way. Now you can search all the available hotel in Sydney by input your check-in date and check-out date of the hotel room that you want to stay in. Okay, and rooms for how many person. Okay, let me scroll down and show you the page, the list of popular Sydney hotel. Here is the list with the rating, score, rating, and how many stars. Okay, this is the hotel's name and the hotel picture or photo. Okay, you can scroll down and browse through the list of popular hotel in Sydney. Here showing all 4,769 hotels in Sydney. Okay. Now let me show you an example. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel, Radisson Blu Plaza Hotel Sydney CBD Sydney. Okay, let me click on the view deals here, and then I can look at the bigger size picture of this hotel. I can browse through the hotel photo. Okay, and all the dining room, facility, meeting room of the hotel. This is the hotel room, the shower room, bathroom. Okay, now and then I can read the description of this hotel. The rating and the comment is stunning pool, wonderful staff and good for shopping. Total got 11,000 plus guest review. You can scroll down and it will show you the hotel features for this hotel and the hotel check-in and check-out time. Okay, and then the rating summary and normally who like to stay here, couples are most popular. Okay, then you scroll down a little bit, you can read all the comment and feedback and review from the guests who has booked and stayed into this hotel. Okay, now I show you the step how to book this hotel or reserve the hotel room. First, you have to input your check-in date, your travel check-in date. Let's say I select March. Select the day 4th to 5th check-out date, and the rooms for 2 adults, or I can choose other option here. Okay, then click on or tap on check availability and prices. Then it will show me the price comparison from a different hotel booking provider. This is the price here in the RM, which is in Ringgit Malaysia. Okay, so and then I even can click here, compare 8 more websites. It will show me more price option from a different provider. Okay, and also you can look at the types of the room. Okay, and browse through this. Okay, I even can click show more details, show modules. Okay, so let's say I choose an option for example. Let's say I want to book this hotel through Prestigia.com. I want to book a deluxe balcony room. Let me click on this video, and then it will redirecting me to the provider Prestigia.com within after 3 seconds. It will show loading page, and it is opening the Prestigia page. Now let me scroll down. Okay, this is the hotel photo. Okay, and browse through. Look at the hotel room, shower room. Wow, so nice. Okay. Wow. See? Okay. Here go show the amenities of the hotel and about the hotel property and where is it located on the map in Sydney. Okay. And this is my check-in date, my input check-in date and check-out date, and this is the price for 2 adults. Okay, and let me select the best deal, best value, superior room. Okay, let's say now I want to select this deluxe balcony room. I want this price, one night, one room for 2 adults. I click book button here, or I tap on book button here. Okay, and then it will redirect me to the payment page. This is the rate, the price I have to pay. I have to input my details and my payment information, which is my credit card number and my credit card details. And then here tell me that the transaction will be displayed on my credit card statement as Prestigia.com for an amount of this 27.18. Okay, if I have any 27.18 euro. If I have any special request, I will type my special request here. Okay, once I input everything here, my first name, last name, email address, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and my country of origin, and then I just click on confirm your booking. Okay, so once of course I don't input my details here, and also don't input my payment information. This is the page I show you. It's very easy. Okay, if I want to receive latest deal and update from Prestigia.com, I click here the box here. If I don't want, I leave it blank. Then I click on confirm your booking. Okay, of course now when I tap on confirm your booking button, it requires me to input everything, the payment information. Okay, just imagine, let's say you have input everything here and tap on the confirm your booking, then it will redirect me to the page that show my hotel room booking confirmation, and they will email the hotel room booking details with confirmation to my given email address. Okay, when it has been done, you can check your email, print out the information, the details when you travel to the hotel, or once you have done the booking, then you just click on tap on done here to exit the hotel booking system page. Okay, then you can browse through the Sydney Tour Guide mobile app, okay, to find out more places, okay, that tourists tourists will visit when they travel to Sydney. Okay, so where to download this Sydney Tour Guide mobile app? Just come to Google Play Store, okay, or tap on the link below this video description, or use your phone now to scan on this QR code. Okay, thank you, and remember to like this video, share this video to your friends, and also you click on the bell, the notification bell, then you'll be notified when I post a new video in the future. Thanks for watching.